Hi, Jenny here. Cinco de Mayo is coming up, so I thought this week I'd make a couple recipes to help celebrate that day. So today we are going to make some Mexican wedding cakes. Let's get started. For this recipe, we will need 1 cup of butter softened, half a cup of powdered sugar, plus extra powdered sugar at the end to roll the cookies in, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Alrighty then. So, got a new camera lens. You can see all of me now. Woo! How exciting! So let's see how this goes. We are first going to beat our butter until fluffy. So we'll put both of them in there and do that. Wipe the hand. I take a full of butter. Now we'll add a teaspoon of vanilla and our half a cup of powdered sugar, and again blend it well. Brand new bag of flour. I don't know why I just sang it. Why not? Singing is fun. So it's a challenge. Fun opening a bag of flour and trying not to rip it all so then it spills all over. And you're trying to pour it out. They have to seal it, but then again they seal it, yep, so tightly that, you know, oh yeah. Hence also why I prefer to keep my flour and sugars and stuff in a container. So anyways, get a little higher. It's looking fluffy. All right. We need 2 cups of flour. So I'm going to finish off what I have in here and then pour my other flour in. And remember not to lean back on the counter because you got a microphone in your back pocket. There's a lock on the back of the mixer, so if your batter is getting a little bit too thick and it may start bouncing around, you can lock your lid in to make sure it's nice and sturdy. And then once most of the flour is mixed in, so you know it's not going to kind of floof all out, then you can turn the mixer up a little bit higher and get it mixed even more really well. I'm going to unlock it. And there's your dough. So, pretty thick. Now, the dough needs to sit in the refrigerator for 2 hours. So I'm going to take it out of here, put it in a bowl, and we'll cover it with saran wrap and then put it in the fridge. See you in 2 hours. All right, there you go. It's still so funny to see you get to see all of me again. Woohoo! It's been 2 hours, so I took the dough out of the fridge. I don't know about you, the 2 hours went pretty quickly. I kept busy. So we're going to bake these at 350 degrees. So we shall preheat our oven, and then we're going to roll these into about 1-inch balls. Cook them for 10 minutes. And then after we're done, we'll roll them in the powdered sugar. Oven is preheated, so now we will bake them for 10 minutes. All right, the oven has beeped. We'll check our cookies. And I get to use my new oven mitt. Look at that. Whatever happens, we're eating it. Compliments of my coworker, Stephanie. Woo, thank you, Stephanie. They smell good. They don't look too much different. Usually the bottoms of them are going to be a little bit browner. So we will check that out in a few minutes once they cool. In the meantime, I will put another tray in. And as you can see, they don't really spread out too much. So although I have a lot, although I have a lot on this tray, they're not going anywhere. So I can put a lot on a tray to bake them. We will let our cookies cool for a couple minutes here. And then take them off. Whee! So, should be cool enough, you'll see. So they're lightly brown on the bottom side, which is good. They can be just a tad bit browner, but that's all right. Oh, and now that they're a little bit cool, we're going to dip them in some powdered sugar. And so while the cookies are still warm, you want to dip them in the powdered sugar. Ooh. And then we'll let them cool completely. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will leave the recipe down in the description below. Let me know in the comments down below if you celebrate Cinco de Mayo and what are some of your favorite foods to eat. This Mexican cookie recipe is one that I bake at Christmas time to go in my Christmas cookie boxes. So obviously it can be made any time of the year. It's quick and easy. It's just a 2-hour time of having the dough in the refrigerator, so it's something that you need to plan for ahead of time. I'm going to enjoy my snack now. You guys keep it positive and go make it a great day. Bye-bye or adios. So good. Very buttery and delicious. All right, here we go. First blooper. New camera lens, and I forgot I hadn't filmed the intro yet, so this is the wrong camera angle. I wasn't completely ready. See, you can see my whole face, and I hadn't had it made up yet. Anyways, let's try again. My glasses on. Let's try that again. Not that you didn't see me in glasses before, but anyways, I'm gonna enjoy my snack. You guys keep it positive. Go make it a great day. Bye bye or arrivederci.